really like, can I walk my race? I mean,
It should be. I hope not.
there's a bench in here.
I'm gonna get them settled with their warm-up, and then you can have I delete it. I deal with it. It makes me feel good to delete.
Okay.
Third and fourth. What grade do you want to teach?
High school.
Marta, why don't you get your Chromebook out, please?
I am.
And do your start your warm-up. Well, please sing I am and let me see some action. Okay?
Try to get it.
Why don't you sit right there? Okay? Yes.
Let's fall.
That's right. I didn't lock.
Let's fall. No, it's not about something like that. It's about something
I love that.
I Alright.
Oh, that'd be great.
I gave them a paper for reference and tagboard.
I'm gonna make a cover, baby. Let me get it back to you.
I don't know, keep it. Oh, I have some extras.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss me.
Vocabulary.
I just want to.
Okay, when you say my name, you say it once. And if you need me, listen, if you need me, you raise your hand and I'll know to answer me. Okay, what do you need? Do you have a question? Comment?
Don't have anything written in your class.
Look at Infinite Campus. Okay. Have you completed your project yet?
Nope, I still have to do that.
Okay, then definitely that's a priority, okay? For all of you, that's gonna be a priority. But today, we're having the privilege of a lesson by Mr. T.
Goodness me.
All right? And then, next we will work on our projects, okay? But I don't want you doing anything except giving him your attention when he starts teaching, okay? Okay? Thank you. Are you good? So, you gonna use that first? Okay. I just didn't want my email. I do that. I'm like, I've done it before where everybody's just sitting there reading it. And I'll look up, I'm like, not right now, because you're not gonna be doing that for long. Question? What's your question?
What's the part where?
Let me show you. Because y'all need to be studying both parts. Use the arrow here. I'm taking part one. Okay? I had to learn that too. I didn't know that. I'm like, oh, it's not here. But you have to use the arrows to get 1 and 2. Okay, so whenever you're ready, because they're nice and,
No,
I don't know how, you want to do this, what your expectations are going to be for your students, or they will do that. So you just handle that however you want, okay?
all right, cool. Hey, everybody.
Hello.
If you don't mind, you can put up the Chromebooks now. Everything. Yeah. Real quick before we start.
Will I be in your way if I sit here?
No, not at all.
Oh, okay.
Before we start, I want to just hand you guys something to test what you know. It's not for a grade or anything, but I want you to please try your best. So, pass one back. Make sure you put your name on it, please. Just a little check to see what you already know, because we're talking about things that you've been learning in your math classes and everything.
I'll put you in.
Just take one and pass it on there. It's okay if you don't know, because we're going to learn about it today. Make sure you put your name on it and just, I mean, it's not a lot, just to see what you know. Yeah, of course. We'll go ahead and start.
He's teaching you, so if you have a question, ask Mr. Chief. Well, that didn't sound good.
Make sure you do this. And when you're finished with it, you can just put it right here. Make a real nice stack right here when you're finished. Yes, all by yourself.
Huh?
Did you listen to me? Yes. Huh? It's okay. It's Hey, let's stay quiet for a little bit, guys. Let's stay quiet. It's just checking what you know. Here you go. Hey, you need to read that now, though. You're behind. There's not gonna be more than 2 inches right now, so I'll let you do that. Alright. As we move from one thing to the next, I'll get, what's your name again, buddy? Go pass some things out for me. Cool. Break. Go get
Do you pick two right here?
I wouldn't pick 2. I would read all the questions and see if there's one that says all of them.
What is this?
Make sure you put your name on it.
Huh?
Make sure you put your name on
Okay, what is this?
it. It's a pre-built test. It's just a test that you already know. Okay.
I know ratios, but I don't know.
That's fine. Alright. Are you done with that?
Can you help me?
No. We're gonna go over that in just a second. I'm just waiting for everyone to finish up. We're gonna go over it together.
Yes, sir. I'm not done.
Okay. Okay. Alright, just another minute, guys. Okay, we're gonna go over it together. Dang, look at you over here. Getting all of them right. Alright. We're gonna move on now.
No.
I'm sorry. You better hurry.
Huh?
You better hurry.
You too, so.
4,
3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright. Cool. Okay. So today we're going over what you guys have probably already guessed, ratios and fractions vocabulary. You guys are only 6th grade, right?
Yeah.
Everyone here is
Yes.
in 6th grade?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
We what?
What? So, well, what's it called? I talked to some of your math teachers and stuff, and this is stuff y'all been going over, divided fractions and ratios and everything like that. That ring a bell? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
No? We might be behind. But yeah, so I thought maybe to improve our academic language and everything, we could go over some ratios and fractions vocabulary. Because you're going to be talking about everyday math anyway. Didn't y'all just take a test like not too long ago?
Yeah.
Ratios?
And we're taking our diagnostic.
Nice. So maybe it'll, yeah.
I have a lot of racial questions.
Yeah, maybe it'll help you out a little bit. So I just gave you this sheet right here. Let's see if we can open it with something. Let's open it with this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, I can go over it like this. But yeah, we got some fraction ratio vocabulary. Woohoo! Woohoo. Before we start, does anyone have anything they want to say about fractions and how they feel about them, how they like them?
I'm bad at it.
You're bad at it, you think? You're over here just getting them right, second. What do you think?
It's hard.
You think it's hard? Why do you think it's hard?
Because it's just hard for me.
Okay, I understand. What about you?
It's kind of easy.
You think it's kind of easy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We got some mixed opinions in here. Different opinions, all right. Well, let's start going over this. I'm calling it a graphic organizer. This is gonna be for y'all to keep. It's kind of like a study tool, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, we got number 1. What is a number that represents equal parts to a whole? Show of hands. Does anyone know? We got an example of one right here.
Huh? What's a fraction? A fraction.
Yeah, fraction. Next time, let's do the whole raising hands thing. People, teachers seem to like that. See how that goes. But yeah, I'll write it down and everything. So yeah, the first blank, we're gonna put fraction. Hold on, let me move this out of the way. Fractions is F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Yeah.
And S?
We can put an S on there too. Plural is the same thing. Yes?
Can I go up front?
For sure, yeah. Come on. So does that one have the first blank filled in?
Yes.
Cool. The second one, we already know it's the numerator, but it says the blank is the blank number of a fraction. What do you think?
Top.
The top, yeah, the top.
Huh? I
The
thought it
top.
was, oh.
Yeah, the top number of a fraction. Does anyone ever have trouble saying the word numerator? It's kind of a hard one to say. Numerator. Hey, let's try and say it all together. I thought we could. So I'm gonna count down to 3. Whenever I say 1, we'll just say numerator. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Numerator. Okay, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. It wasn't near as loud as 4th period, which is all good, I guess. Whatever. What? Oh, okay, yeah. Denominator is the what number of fraction? Bottom, yeah. So same thing, B-O-T-T, yeah. Yeah, my blanks are a little smaller up here, but this should be able to fit in there. Same thing with denominator. It's kind of one of those words that's a little hard to say. So I was thinking maybe we could all say it together a few times, right? All right, so I'm gonna count down to 3. We'll all say denominator together. All right, 3, 2, 1. Denominator. You guys are not seeming very excited. Half of you didn't even say it. This is your chance to be loud in school. What are we doing? It's literally not against the rules to be as loud as you want to be right now. All right, you ready? We're gonna go one more time. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Denominator!
Yeah, denominator. Yeah, that's what we like. All right, cool. You guys did a great job, by the way. So this is our 4th one right here. Let's have a different person answer, but a comparison of 2 numbers. It can be written 3 ways. So we have a fraction, we have the colon, and we have 2 to 3, or 1 to 3. Doesn't have to necessarily be the number 2. Let's see, anyone else show hands? Anybody?
Me?
Back there. Hey, don't laugh, it's okay. Sometimes it takes a second to think.
What was the question again?
It's on number 4, and it's a comparison of 2 numbers. It can be represented 3 different ways. It's okay. I think you got it. Just throw one out there.
Wait, what are we supposed to do? They're doing the same.
All right, we'll go to someone else, okay? Are you okay? You did say it just a second ago. What'd you say? Ratios, yeah.
This?
Ratios is spelled like this. R-A-T-I-O. Ratios. Or we can put ratios, S-P. We're on the 4th blank right now, by the way. All the answers are still on the board, but if you're behind, we got fractions, Top, bottom ratio. That's what the blanks are so far.
Let's go, let's go.
It's right here. It might be in your way. I apologize. Ratio.
What, is that a B? Is that a B?
That is an R. I read my application R is a little funny. Yes. Has everyone got the first 4 blanks filled in?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, so number 5. I didn't put a blank for this because I felt like we just need to talk about it a little more, but it's units. Okay? So a unit can mean 2 different things in math. A unit can mean like one of something. So say you got like a unit square, it's just 1 square, it's gonna be 1 foot on each side, whatever. But then the second one, which is more important for ratios and fractions, is what you're working with. So it could be 3 feet, 3 inches, 3 apples, whatever you're working with. So under here, I want you to write just any form of measurement. We can put like 3 inches, 3 feet, 3 yards. So under number 5, I'll do it too. We'll put something, anything you want to put down here that is a unit. Well, I'm gonna put 3 yards.
3 yards?
Yeah, yards on a football field, that's what that's the whole field.
Oh my god.
Or soccer field. Soccer field's a little bigger than that, like 10 yards.
Which one?
So just anything that you can measure. Has everyone written something under number 5? Good. Except for you didn't write nothing under number 5. Huh? It's not there. That's a blank, that's number 4. Alright, here we go. So number 6. Show of hands, does anyone know what a ratio that compares 2 different quantities which have different units? So 2 apples to 3 oranges, or my favorite example is like 45 miles per 1 hour. That's a way to explain it. What do you think? Never mind. You might be right.
I know I'm wrong.
No, let's see.
No, I'm not saying anything.
Oh, okay. So nervous. It's a rate. Rate? It's just a rate, yeah. R-A-T-E, rate. It's a special type of ratio. There's still ratios, you know, like it could be 40, like I said before, 45 miles in 1 hour. That's a rate. It's still a ratio, it's just a special type of one. Because it's 2 different units, so we're comparing, like even if you buy something at the store, say you got one candy bar is $1. Dollars and candy bars are 2 different things, right? Yeah, rate's kind of hard to understand. Oh, you know the next one? Oh, okay. Well, let's see. A blank fraction. Oh, is everyone caught up, by the way? Or am I going a little too fast?
No.
Okay. Cool. Number 7. A blank fraction is a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator.
Improper.
Improper? Very, very close. But it's not improper. Proper, yeah, proper fraction. Does anyone know what the word proper means?
No.
No?
That's deep.
So, the word proper means. Oh, what you think? What you think? You can talk about it.
Never mind.
You guys are so nervous. Look, it doesn't matter. Like, as long as you guys are expressing what you think, I'm never gonna be upset. But so the word proper is more so like when things are correct.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's what the word proper means. Like, oh, things are correct or how they should be. So whenever you have a fraction like, and we'll right here real quick, because this is kind of important actually. So whenever you have a fraction like 3/4, they're saying that's how things should be, or like even, I don't know, 7/10. That's like saying how things should be. Because we know that fractions are part of a whole, right? So yeah. So what do we think the next one is? An improper fraction. IM would mean a fraction that is not proper, right? So improper, not proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is what? Than the denominator. Show it.
Bigger.
Right there. It's bigger. Yeah, you gotta raise your hand and let other people talk. I love that you're getting answers right. Good job. Bigger. So yeah, improper fraction is the opposite. It's where it is bigger than the denominator. Huh? You can also put greater, yeah. There's a bunch of synonyms for the word bigger or more.
Larger.
Yeah, larger. Yeah, any of those. But yeah, those are fractions like instead of 7 over 10, like 7 over 5. Or, 10 over 4. Where the denominator is less than the numerator, or the numerator is more than the denominator. The number on top is bigger. So it's a larger
I
number.
have a question.
Yeah.
So you said number 9, like, says there's more, there's 2 and more things are the same?
We're not there yet.
But is it like that?
It's most likely going to be that way, but we're going to wait to cover that together. Alright, so everyone got number 8. Alright, number 9. Has anyone ever heard of the word equivalent before? Raise your hand if you ever heard equals or equivalent.
I've heard equals.
You've heard equals, okay. So usually we got like an equal sign that's at the end of the problem, right? What do you think that means when it's 2 or more things are the what in value?
Same.
I guess, are we all in agreement that it's the same?
Yeah.
Because we've kind of given away before this.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. The word equivalent might also be kind of hard to say. Who has a tough time saying the word equivalent?
Equivalent.
Equivalent. You want to say it all together like we did with numerator and denominator? It's kind of fun, right?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Equivalent. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Equivalent!
That was really good. That was really good. Yeah. Are the same in value. Cool. So yeah, make sure we have that last blank filled in the same.
Huh? What's it?
Okay, wait, I got it.
Okay. Alright, now hold on. This is for you to keep, by the way.
I'll definitely answer these questions by myself.
Definitely did. You're a genius. What's it called? So we got our last one. Has anyone ever heard of the word proportion? It can be used like proportional, proportionate. Does anyone have an idea of what that means?
A piece of something.
Close. The word portion means a piece of something. But what about proportion? And there's different definitions. I'm more so talking about the math definition, like the one you're gonna hear about in school. Well, make sure you keep your head up. Don't fall asleep on me. But yeah, so proportion, and I want you guys to write this under the word proportion. When you have 2 ratios that are being compared and they're proportionate or they're proportions, it means they're equal. It means they're equal. Proportion is like when you're doing ratios. So under it, I want you to write equal. Equal. Because 2 ratios that are proportionate are 2 ratios that are equal to each other. Yeah, so if you could take your sheet back out and make equal under it, that would help. No. Did you write equal under number 10?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? No, you didn't. Yeah, you just lied. Alright, cool. So how's everyone feel about fractions and ratio vocabulary? How do you feel about it?
Good.
Okay. See me up still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13. Okay, so we're gonna get into pairs now. So you can pick, someone you like or whatever. And there's gonna be one group of 3. Only one. But yeah, you can pair up. Just like that. So yeah, pair up. Only groups of 2 and one group of 3. Don't do any more than that. Doesn't matter. You can scoop desks closer together and everything, but you have to pair up. No one's doing this alone. You gotta pair up. You gotta talk to each other.
Guys, yeah,
All right, this is group of 3 right here. So we're gonna do pairs. No, we already got a group of 3, so we gotta find pairs.
Pairs?
3's happening right here. 2 pairs means groups of 2.
Oh, 2 groups of 2.
Hey, you 2 want to go?
Allison needs a partner.
Yeah, do it. You gotta be with a partner.
Then what, you have
You
to
gotta be with
partner.
a partner.
Ellen work alone.
Who's already group 3? It's just 2. Just groups of 2.
Yeah.
Don't have a partner.
Allison, come over here, and then Sophia can be there.
Okay, cool. So, just go ahead and find you a seat. I'm gonna pass you out these. They're matching. We're gonna match. Group who gets it done first is the winner. What?
No,
Yeah, there are
I'm
winners.
not
You don't win anything, but you just win. The winning's win. But yeah, make sure you put both of your names on it. You can't start yet until everyone's got one. Make sure you have all three names on it. Make sure you put all your names on everything.
Oh, okay.
All the names. You don't put Okay, hold on really quick before we start. Like I said, the group that gets done first is the winner, just for fun, but also make sure, so there's letters right here beside the definitions. You put the letter right by the word, okay?
Yes.
If you have any questions about the directions, let me know. If you have any questions about what is what, let me know. How are you guys doing? Good.
Can you help us?
Yeah, of course. Just gotta ask questions.
Wait, we need help with the fraction. No, it's on my folder, it's in my Hey, ow, ow.
I'm coming.
A fraction.
Okay. So have you read through all of them yet?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Maybe that would help you out.
You know, oh, no, it's not. It's definitely a denominator. Okay, I'm helping. So put A in we done. We're done.
You know, you're pretty smart.
We're done.
You're done? Let's see if you got them all right. Let's see if you got them all right.
And then what this activity says is an equivalent for that two ratios or ratio of a fraction where the is less than the okay, this one, B C goes to
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, are you talking inappropriately?
Yeah.
Then stop. You guys silent lunch. Why would you do that in my room?
What do you mean, what did I do in my room? I mean, in your room.
Speaking inappropriately.
I didn't even say nothing inappropriate.
Okay, everybody was, you said something, everybody's like, ooh, you know.
So that's not even a bad
And
word.
then you just admitted to me that you said something inappropriate.
I did not say anything. I said tonta. And that's not a bad word. That means slow.
I asked you, you said something inappropriate, you said yes.
No, I did not.
Okay. Now use the backside. See if you can recognize the backside.
Three more. Look, there's 1, 2, 3. You read the seat.
How you guys doing over here? Good.
Yeah, Jonathan.
If you need to, you can.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Yeah, yeah.
I did that one.
I did that one. I know three of these. That's equivalent.
That is equivalent. You guys are doing really good.
Read it how. So never mind.
Just keep it out.
We finished.
Cool. Let me check.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. No. It's not. I said I think.
So I'll make sure. Okay, so we have. What do you have here for number 7? What letter? That's a C. Okay. That one's gonna kill it.
I'll have to rate this.
No. That's on me. That's on me.
Oh, so
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Alright, cool. Hold on. I'm gonna give you some flashcards. Yeah. This is to practice saying the words. And to practice. Yeah. There might be some things in there, but there shouldn't be.
You go first and then I go. I go first. Oh wait, yeah. Wait, check if all of them are like that. Yeah.
Okay, so now go to back. There's a answer.
Show me the answer. Because they're jealous that we finished.
I'm never jealous.
Ah! It's for like R-O-T-I-A. No, Yeah, but it has to be in front of it. You can't look at it.
How you guys doing?
I did all the answers in there. Does this start with B? Ready? Now you do it to me for real. Yes. Yeah, just have to do one. Just one. So you have one.
Why are you so angry?
I know. They're not helping.
They're not helping. Are you not helping either?
Wait, that's
Okay, that's good.
I did all the answers.
You did?
I did one. It says right here. I did two. Mine is seven. Really
You guys
good.
are finished?
What do you think this is?
I'm not good enough.
We can see what it is. Oh, so that was reading.
What's this one right here? So yeah, these two are wrong. 2 and 3.
What? I know that's right.
You said you did every single one. You didn't just say that. Hey, we staying on task, right? We staying on task, yeah? Good.
Are you looking right here? No, I'm actually not. Yeah, but you're
Alright. So we're gonna go over this together. Really quick. So, this one we should write it. So we got a fraction, that's right. Which is a number that represents parts of the whole. Which one's the numerator? The numerator starts with NU, never under. Okay, numerator is the top number again. Denominator, down. So yeah, the bottom. Ratio's right. Unit is a unit. It's actually just the thing you work with. So like 2 apples would be apples is the unit. We put down rate. So we got rate and ratio mixed up. It's really rate and unit. Rate is like 45 miles per hour. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying and then proper fraction, yes?
Yeah.
We're gonna do
Yay!
So this one right here.
That's true. But that was yours. Why are you mixing it up? I knew them. That's your fraction.
Quick, we're about to move on.
Stop!
We did get one wrong.
Proper fraction. No, put it back up. No, I remember it. You said it. It's stuck with the feet on it. Okay. You're doing it hard for me, and I didn't get it for you.
Okay, I'll move on now. I'll look
That's how
over
you do
there.
it.
All right.
No number.
Hey. All right. Take this up now.
Equivalent.
Yep, it's almost. But yeah, you're exactly right.
Unit and ratio. I'm so smart. No, we're gonna do this again. Nope. You can hold it back.
You can do it now. I'll look over this.
Unit. Ratio. Ratio. No, it's my turn. This is hard. Hard.
I know what you meant, though. All right, everybody. All right, everybody. Here we go. I want everyone back in their assigned seats now, please. I want the flashcards back. Yes, yes. Hopefully, y'all like them. Made them myself.
Skylar, you would have missed all of them, but I just gave you
The fact that you won is great. Winning is winning.
We only missed
Do I
one.
have everybody's flashcards that I gave out?
We didn't win. We didn't win.
Yeah. Victory. Nah, I got those. It didn't at all. Oh, okay. You already knew everything?
No.
Okay.
That would be too much.
Okay. Here we go. All right. In 1 second. We got to Kahoot in 1 second. I want to go over some things really quick.
It is.
No.
Well, who changed it? Oh, Skylar and Mark. They put paper on the floor.
Alright guys, let's go sit really quick.
Oh, my friend's bringing it. Wait, not like my drawing.
Right, can you get your side sequence, please?
I said I loved it. You did it. You said no in the first place.
Alright, so before we do our Kahoot, there's going to be no visuals on the Kahoot, it's going to be all words.
What is my first?
Visuals are pictures. So I wanted to use some visuals to help us jog our memory on some things, okay? And also just because I want us to keep going over it and going over it and going over it, and maybe that'll give us a better understanding. The more practice sometimes makes perfect, right? Alright, so show of hands, what is this right here? This circle. You gotta raise your hands. You gotta let me call on you. Yes, were you gonna say numerator too? Hey, were you gonna say numerator? You gonna say numerator too? Sweet.
I know what it is.
You know what it is? What do you think it is?
A numerator.
Numerator, yeah.
I know what it is. It's
What
a
is it?
numerator.
It's a numerator, yeah. It's a numerator.
I know it again. It's a
You'll know it again? You'll know it again? Okay, we'll go back to it. Okay, we got these three things right here. Raise your hands. Right, what do you think? Ratio, yeah. We can write ratios three different ways, right?
A colon, two fractions. A fraction.
Yeah, it's just, I guess the letter two, or not letter, but the word two.
Just a two.
Cool. Sweet. Here we go. Okay, we got the top number is larger than the bottom. What do you think?
Improper fraction.
Improper fractions, right?
It's
Improper
bigger.
fractions. Yep.
Right?
When the numerator is more than the denominator, it's improper, right? It's not normal. That's what we can think of. Improper means, oh, it's not a normal fraction, right? Everyone knows that's an improper fraction?
Yes.
What is it?
Improper.
Improper, yeah. Cool.
I just say everybody knows.
Alright, what do we got here? Oh, that is true, but we're looking for something different. What is the letter, or the number circle? What is it?
A denominator.
Denominator. You guys want to say them all together again?
Yes,
Denominator. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. You guys are getting good at that. Really good at that. Alright. Someone alluded to this earlier, but here we go. We got everyone right here. Eyes on me. Seeing a lot of wondering eyes right now. Come on, thank you. Alright. So we got the numerator being smaller than the denominator. What do we got here?
I think it's proper.
It is.
It is?
It is. Don't second guess yourself. It is. It's a proper fraction. Why is it proper?
Because it's supposed to stay that way. It's
I
smaller.
kind of know what you're saying. I know what you're saying.
It's smaller.
Yeah, because the numerator is smaller, so it makes it parts of the whole. It's how it should. The proper's like, oh, it's how normal. It's how it should be, or whatever. All right, let's see. Let's keep going. Not moving too good. Oh, thanks. All right. What do we got here? Well, I use this example a good bit, but it's a special type of ratio, right?
Right.
You rate? You remember? Yeah.
Right.
Rate. Good. So I know that we didn't have a large show of hands for that one. Just remember that a rate is comparing two things that are not the same. So miles are different from hours. Miles are distance, and hours is time.
Yep.
And so there are two things that are different, right? All right.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a crazy one. So there are two things that can be right here. Two things. The first one we said is very similar, but let's see. So we got an equal sign here, so what are we all thinking? We can say it all together if we all know.
Equal.
Equal. We learned a word though. We learned a specific word that means equal. Equivalent, right? Let's all say equivalent together. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Equivalent.
I didn't see everyone's mouth moving right there. We're gonna do it one more time. You gotta say it with me. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Equivalent.
Good. Really good. Yeah, and so we said that there's a word that means something very similar to equivalent with ratios. Show of hands, I'll call on you if you know it. And it's okay if you mispronounce it or something, that's fine. It's a word that means equals. I told you to write equals under it, if you remember. Proportions, yes, proportions. Yeah, okay. And I noticed this from the last class I taught that proportions is really hard to say, right? Proportion. Proportion. Alright, let's work on saying it together. We'll start off soft, make sure we're really pronouncing it right, then we'll get louder and louder, right? Alright, so proportion, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Proportion, yeah. Here, let me write it down on the board real quick. Ooh, excuse me. Pro, like if you guys like sports, professional, pro. Pour, like you're pouring out something, and then shun, because in English, the T-I-O-N sound can make a sh. Everyone do that with me. Sh. Yeah, right? I know it would make more sense for it to be a, like, proportion, but it's not. It's just not. Proportion, right?
Proportion.
So let's say it together. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Proportion.
Alright, you guys good to get louder now?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Proportion.
Good. Alright, let's see if we need any of that. We need to review real quick. What we got here? Numerator. A good way to remember that? I saw this in a classroom one time. But you got the word numerator, right? And everyone knows that's spelled N-U-M-E-R, numerator. Right? Well, the first two letters of numerator are N-U, right? That means never under. Think of that every time. It's never under the fraction. So numerator's on top always. And the denominator starts with a D. D for down. That's what the denominator starts for. So if you ever forget, think of that right there. Denominator means D for down, which means it's under the fraction. Numerator's never under, it's on top. Alright, let's see if we need to review any of these other ones before we start our Kahoot.
I feel like I'm gonna spell it, right?
Well, I hope you don't. Let's see. What we got here? Raise your hand if you know. What we got?
Ratio.
Ratio. It is a ratio, but it's a special type of ratio.
Right.
Rate. Alright, let's see.
Oh, my bad.
Let's see. Let's do this one. What we got here? Someone different. Someone new. Somebody new. Maybe it might be a little shy. It's okay. Forgot? You already went. Trying to be someone new. Don't be shy.
I'm tired.
Would it help if this is how I like say things like this is how it ought to be? It's a hint. That word that means like, you know, things are correct like this. What do you got? Proper. Yeah, proper. Good. How do we feel?
Good.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Feel tired.
What do we? Everyone know what this is, right?
Ratio.
Good. We got that pretty down. What do we got here? It's the opposite of proper.
Improper.
Okay.
Denominator.
I think we're doing pretty good. Okay. You guys ready to play some Kahoot?
Yay.
All right. What are we? All right. So everyone, pull out your Chromebooks. You go to Kahoot.it.
And me, okay,
Let's see if we can pull this up. I shared it. We'll see if we can pull it up. We're all just.
No, boy, I don't like no Asian.
I sent it to you. I have no idea exactly what word.
People just, no, they're different. What do I do? I like the K-pop ones. Okay, here. And the darker ones. But they lost. No, they did. It's 4-1 and they lost 4-1. Yeah, but they didn't get eliminated though. They only got work. Ronaldo was so mad when he lost. It was so funny.
You guys like Ronaldo?
No.
No?
I like Messi, bro. Messi.
No.
Okay.
I love number 9, South Korea.
South Korea.
I don't know.
Yeah, she loves Koreans. I wear that number 8. She loves Koreans.
What's your guys' favorite sport? Anyone like, raise your hand if you like soccer here. That's your favorite.
I'm a little.
Okay, I like
little.
I'm going to get into that soccer.
Okay. Raise your hand.
It is.
Raise your hand if your favorite sport is basketball.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
I like that.
Raise your hand if your favorite sport is American football.
No.
Okay. Raise your hand for soccer and football.
I want to do.
What about baseball? We got any
No.
baseball fans?
I play softball.
You like softball? Okay, cool. Hopefully I get my pass the right first try.
I play softball.
Try again.
Y'all should be trying out.
I'm gonna try out fencing. I want to do fencing.
Tennis.
Mama, what are you gonna do? Yeah.
Mine won't work.
I want to do. Hold on. Mr. T, is there supposed to be a space up there, kind of?
Say it again.
Like a space, a little bit right there?
I'm such a tough time on password.
Put her. Like redo it.
Okay.
Or redo it. So
I don't think you're gonna know my password.
No, I know that password.
I don't think you
No,
can.
but I think there's like a space right
Hold
there.
on. A space right where? In my Gmail?
Like at the beginning.
Hold on.
You got something in your Gmail. I really like this.
Yeah, really?
Oh. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
I'm sorry. No, I was just forgetting my password.
You have your fidget thing?
My password's the same for everything, so I was like, how could that possibly not?
One of those flippy things, that flippy thing, the water.
Yeah.
Which ones are what?
Victory!
That's too easy. I'm probably bring one tomorrow. Come on, man. Stop. No. Please.
Messi, Ronaldo,
Messi. We're doing Messi.
No, it's
Messi,
over the
Neymar is so
bucket.
fun. Neymar is finer than Messi and Neymar sucks. We don't. That man got slime talking about him. Neymar is so fun, y'all.
I think Ronaldo.
So fun.
Your goal is to win because winning is great.
I think Neymar is better than Messi whenever he got slime talking. People.
Go to
I just
7-6, 1-18.
I just think.
76, 18.
I just think he was fine. That's the only thing I said.
7-6, 1-18.
He 10 times straight, bro.
You're okay one.
In one game. I like that one game.
I'll do the same.
I'm gonna realize everybody was
Who's
like,
that song?
It is.
where's Steve? Where
It's a sound.
Ew. You were there.
If you have matters of mine, be sure you return it before you leave.
I like it.
Me?
Alright, if you're not in it, join it. We got. Oh no, blocked. It's
Wait,
blocked.
can you wait for me?
I will wait for everybody.
I can hear it.
Is it like super quiet?
This is all I gotta do. You give it a little bit longer.
You're trying.
It's right there where it's like.
You're in.
Oh, I love that song.
Such a good song, right?
It says that her name is in, but it's not showing her on the screen.
It says, oh no, blocked for one of them.
I want to that. They said.
Let's actually real quick and try
That's my last name, I know.
Wait, is this soccer? Yeah,
No.
No, it's about stuff we were just learning actually.
Oh, I thought it was soccer.
Yeah.
And I said it's soccer. If it was really soccer, I'll feel it. I won't. I know everything about it. He killed a kid and people.
Can I understand all my, can I join again?
Alright, we're gonna have to hurry up, guys. We're running out of time. We have to get started here pretty soon. Raise your hand if you're not in.
She's not in yet,
Okay.
but she's running out. Because when you get all stressed out and mess up.
Yes, she won.
See, there you go, you're a chicken.
I'm not in it yet. Wait, wait more. Let's do it again. My little snowman.
I do that, I get real frustrated, stressed out, yeah, I mess up.
We're gonna start it.
I'm the king.
You're not.
Alright, here we go.
I got my book right there.
Enter. I already did that, but it didn't want me to again.
Wait.
What? What number is on the top of a fraction?
I can't see the different way.
Sorry.
You took it in.
Let's
Whoa.
We would say denominator.
Numerator means never under, right?
Yeah,
Numerator's
say
on
it
top.
wrong, but then she got it
Everyone
right.
say it. Numerator's on top.
Numerator is on top.
Numerator is on top.
Numerator is on top. 9 and 2.
She has to
She said
count.
she
got to count. That's why there's so many people in it.
Close out one.
She got one right and she got one right.
Okay, Allison, do it right, okay?
How do I say
Alright, here we go. We're going on to the next one. Oh no, block is in first.
I wonder who that can be. Me.
Another word for proportion is,
I don't know.
well,
Guess.
I'm just like,
I'm a daddy.
Hello.
Oh.
Let's go.
Alright, so half of us got equals, half of us got ratios. I can understand why we put ratios though, because proportions are when two ratios are equivalent to one another, right? So even though it's not ratios, it makes sense. But everyone understand that proportions is when two ratios are equal to one another?
Yeah.
When two things are proportionate, they're the same. Okay, cool. Press next right here.
Huh?
Alright, we got a new leader.
Oh.
Alright. Which of the following is a proper fraction? Okay, we got 3 over 2, 8 over 4, 90 over 37, and 3 over 5.
Look at the answers and choose one of the
no
four.
one,
All of them.
Nope.
There's two.
Alright. So that was a little spread out, but a proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator. That means the top number is less than the bottom number.
How much
Okay?
questions have we got on this?
10, I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
Alright. 3 in a row for block. What is 7
Alright guys,
over 3?
we've got 4 minutes.
Okay, what is 7 over 3?
We can't say it. We can't say it.
Want you to press it?
No, because they're waiting for the answer. They want us to say it. It's yellow. It's yellow.
Yeah, we're gonna put a little quicker. Alright, someone is still in the lead.
I'm in second turn. Who's that?
Alright, moving quick. Moving quick. Alright, you better hurry. I'm gonna speed it. I'll skip through it. All three are right ratios. All three of them. You can write ratios as a fraction. You can write it as a component. You can write it with the word to. Alright.
No, we're not. It's blue. Wait. It's not right. It's blue, Alex. It's blue.
Alright, if you ain't got it, I'm skipping it.
get back.
Let's go.
Yeah. Mostly everybody.
Messi, yeah, bro. Messi. Who's in first place?
What does it mean when two things are equivalent? You got 10 seconds.
What is it?
Skip it after 10 seconds.
Rojo. That's it, rojo. It's rojo.
Alright.
I know it's right, but
Things are equivalent,
I
they're
got
the
7
same.
questions right already.
They are the same.
I thought it was green, but I made up my mind.
Alright. We got 3 more. What is the unit of 457 feet. You got 10 seconds. You only got 5 left. Better answer. 3, 2, 1. Let me know your.
Let's go! I just guessed that so bad.
All right.
Back up.
Back up. What do you think?
Who won? Who won?
All right. Who won?
Let's go! Too easy!
Too easy. These are the claims.
Too easy!
Back up.
Messi better! Bro, Messi better, bro! Messi better! Messi, bro! Well, how should I get that wrong, bro? I would've got it wrong too, but I guess. Messi! Excuse me! Here you go. Okay. They went taking in the fifth period. I saw your and I saw
Nope, that's it. Great job
I was
today.
gonna be here tomorrow.
Great job today.
I'm gonna be here tomorrow.
I will. That's my last day.
Why?
Because I have to move on to the next thing. Goodbye. What up? What up?